Welcome back to That Simple Guide. In today's guide, we're going to take a look at how to make text appear one by one as you click in a PowerPoint presentation, just like in this example. If this video is useful, please consider subscribing because my goal is to eventually reach 100,000 subscribers for the silver play button. Okay, so let's get into it. Alright, so I've got my slide here with a couple of bullet points, and I want to make each bullet point appear separately every time I click. So in order to do that, we want to head over to the Animations tab up here, and then we want to have the text box selected like so, and then we can choose any of these entrance effects up here. So for example, fade in. And then right here we could already see a preview of how it would look. And these little numbers right here already tell us the order in which the texts will appear. If you want to adjust that, we can use the animation pane up here. And let's expand that. And the number tells us the amount of clicks it takes to get to the corresponding text. So for example, if I wanted to make the second text appear together with the first one, I could adjust that by clicking on it and expanding this right here, and then I can select start with previous. And as you can see, that removed the 2 right here, and now it's only 2 clicks to make everything appear. So let me test it real quick by going to slideshow and starting from the current slide. And so now I'll click one time and the 2 lines appear, and another time and the other line appears. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a like. Thanks a lot for watching. Goodbye.